Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're unboxing this Lego City Firefighter. It's actually very huge and and on the back, it says lights and sound. So there's gonna be for this vehicle there's gonna be like a light. Beeping and So it looks like this is like lots of pieces, but this thing, the base, the firefighter base is actually not many pieces, because look, that's like just one, and so but what has many pieces is the vehicles, like this one, and I'm actually really excited to open. So actually guys, this is actually a lot of pieces. So this is the first pack. Where's the second? This is the third pack. What's second? Oh, this is the second, fourth and fifth and no number pack. So, and actually, so this instruction book is actually really big. So and this is the one for the lights. Does it need to have battery? Wait, I think it does need battery. So that's the. So now I just have to open all of these up and and we'll start building. So guys, I just finished making this vehicle, so yeah, it's pretty cool, but actually I haven't found this white piece, so yeah, for like this one, so yeah, but it actually looks really cool, and yeah. So now I'll move on to the next book, which is this very big one. Let me get it. This one, which so we have to have the pack 2. This is with the pack 2, pack 3, pack 4, and pack 5. So yeah, I think this is gonna take another yeah, maybe this is gonna take like more than an hour. So yeah. So I don't know if like yeah, we could fit. Oh yeah, and we also have this plate as the like. Yeah, so yeah, now we'll build the pack 2, pack 3, pack 4, and the pack 5. So guys, I just finished making this Lego firefighter base, and it looks so amazing. So if you zoom in, there's like you can see like the you can see that I think the golden firefighter golden. And what I also like is there's this dog, and there's this bit where you can like if there's a fire, he can put the trash can on his back and then spray the water out of the can. Yeah, that's why I actually like this dog. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this trash can back. And actually I had so much fun making it, and it actually took almost 2 days. Well, not actually take like a whole day, and it might take, for me it took like a whole day for me to build the firefighter base, this Lego set. And then what I like is, you can open that up, and and it looks so cool if you like look at it from the back. It looks actually so cool, and it could actually this garage, firefighter vehicle garage, it can actually fit any firefighter vehicle. And and I actually want to try this vehicle if it can fit, because it's quite big and quite long. So it's this one. This is actually my first firefighter Lego set, Lego vehicle, and I think it can fit. It can actually fit. It fits. It's actually quite cool, but it's long, so but it's okay because there's no a wall, so it and I actually like firefighters because when I was little I saw firefighter vehicle pass by, and and it was actually my favorite color, red, but now my favorite color is blue, but I still like firefighters. And I'm just gonna put this back, and like that. And actually I figured something cool to make with this. You can actually put the down, and it will look like a spider, and I like spinning it. And so far this is my favorite Lego set so far. And I also have lots of firefighter vehicles. And I'm gonna make a stop motion video with all my firefighter Legos I have. So this is all my Lego firefighter vehicles, and yeah, this is actually quite cool because there's also this water gun, and yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.